In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add clickable links in Telegram Story. Links in Telegram Stories are essential for boosting engagement and driving traffic. They allow users and businesses to seamlessly direct viewers to external websites, social media pages which enhance interaction beyond just viewing the story. To do this, simply head to your Telegram. On your chat page, tap onto the story icon. Let's say this is the story you want to add a link on. Simply tap onto this sticker icon. Select the option of link. You will then just paste in the link. But to access this feature, you must have subscribed to Telegram Premium. This not only encourages immediate call to action but also expands the reach and effectiveness of the content shared on the platform. That's how easy it is to add links to stories on Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.